Welcome to Carlisle Homes, where every day in your new home will be filled with better inclusions as standard. Today we're here to show you how to prepare for your SPECTRA Colour Selections appointment. It really is one of the most exciting parts about personalising your home. So let's get started. When you visit our SPECTRA showroom for your colour appointment, Carlisle's expert interior design consultants will guide you through selecting products, colours, and the overall style for the 6 key areas of your home. Before your appointment, it's a really good idea to do some research to help you guide us on what you like and what you don't like. This allows your consultant to build a clearer vision of your style, ensuring your new home reflects your taste and your lifestyle. At Spectra, we believe your vision is what brings our inclusions to life. Designed to inspire and streamline the process, Spectra turns your selections into an exciting part of your home building journey. Start by signing up or logging into your Carlisle Connect account. This will give you access to our design tools, allow you to save your preferences, and give you live Spectra pricing. Explore the Inspiration Hub on the Carlisle Homes website, where you'll find ideas for both interior and exterior finishes. You can save your favourite looks to your profile here, so you're ready for your appointment. There are 6 key areas to consider, so make sure you explore all of the combinations available when building with Carlisle Homes, Australia's #1 builder. The kitchen, truly the heart of any home. With Carlisle, you can enjoy a designer kitchen complete with top-tier appliances and Caesar stone bench tops. Plus, features like practical butler's pantries can be included in many of our floor plans. These kitchens aren't just for cooking, they're for living, entertaining, and making memories for years to come. Step inside and explore the customization options that Carlisle Homes is known for. From sleek Caesar stone bench tops to Laminex cabinetry finishes, our homes come packed with luxury inclusions as standard. Whether it's premium flooring or soft close drawers, it's all about creating spaces that elevate everyday living. Let's move to bathrooms, a space for serenity and luxury. Carlisle ensures every bathroom is built to impress, with opulent inclusions like Caesar stone vanities and designer tapware all included. It's about creating your personal sanctuary without compromising on style. Carlisle's better floor plans ensure you have flexibility and style underfoot. Whether it's porcelain tiles for a modern look, engineered timber for ultimate style, or plush carpet for your bedrooms, every option is designed to match your lifestyle and bring comfort to your home. First impressions start with your home's exterior. Express your individuality with a wide range of Carlisle's better inclusions to choose from. You'll have luxury features like Hebel cladding, timber detailing, and more, all at no extra cost. Choose from a range of premium facades to reflect your unique style and make your home energy efficient, boasting a 7-star energy rating for year-round comfort. At Carlisle Homes, better care extends to the future-proofing of your home. With smart technology, you can automate lighting and security for peace of mind. Plus, energy-efficient options like solar panels and double glazing ensure your home is built for sustainability. By preparing for your SPECTRA Colour Selections appointment, you're not just choosing finishes, you're creating a home that reflects your lifestyle and a place where you can truly bring your vision to life. With Carlisle's better floor plans and better inclusions, your dream home is within reach. Book your appointment today and experience why life's better in a Carlisle home.